If you're looking how to set up the economy mode for the water heating on your Bosch Condens heating unit, you basically need to find it yourself. Then you need to open the front cover and you will find a button which looks like a water, and click on that. So the first menu is where you can actually change the desired temperature of the water, and like here it goes to the boiler, and inside there you can find a temperature sensor which actually indicates when the water heating should turn off and on. So you can regulate that yourself. If you click it again, you will see the eco mode is blinking, and by clicking plus sign once and more, you can actually change the eco mode on and off. What does it mean? It means just the difference of the temperature, how much the Bosch will allow your water to drop. Like example, if I have the temperature set up to the 45 degrees, if I don't have an eco mode, then as far as I remember, it will drop by 10 degrees, so till the 35, and then it will start heating again. If you have an eco mode, then it will allow it to drop even more. So basically, again, I could be wrong, but 2 to 25 degrees. So as a result, what you get is, and of course, like you do the setting like this, change it, remove the echo, click OK, everything's saved, and as you see, the setting is applied. So I will put it back, and like this, echo, okay. And the only difference that you get at your home is, of course, that there could be time periods when you open your water and it's not hot enough, but it does bring some economy in terms of the bills and the gas spent, so it might be worth, judge by yourself.